Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make spaghetti and meatballs. It's really easy, but let's get stuck into it. Let's begin with the meatball mixture. So we're going to be adding some stale or toasted bread to the bowl of a food processor. Either one of these is fine. I didn't have stale bread because we go through it so quickly in this house. So I just toasted mine in the oven until it was nice and kind of crispy on the outside. Let it cool and then pop it into the mixer along with some Parmesan cheese, some garlic, some fresh parsley, oregano and basil. Add some onion in there. I've just chopped the onion to give it a head start. Now, every time I watch this back, I laugh because the mixer just violently shook. So I would actually recommend cutting your onion and your Parmesan cheese down to even smaller pieces than I did. Eventually it does all come together kind of in this like wet crumb mixture. You're going to add that to the bowl along with your beef mince, a little bit of milk. This helps hydrate everything, an egg, some salt and pepper, and then clean hands just to mix it up. I'm going to use a cookie scoop to get nice even sized meatballs, roll them up and then pop them on top of a baking tray. You're going to bake these for 20 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. They're going to be kind of golden on the outside, but so juicy and tasty on the inside. Set that aside and let's move on to the sauce. I'm going to add a little drizzle of olive oil, some chopped onion and garlic to a medium-high heat saucepan. Let this cook a little bit until everything is aromatic. Then we're going to add some white or red wine. Funny story, I'm just going to pause the video here. I tried to buy red wine and I was told that I needed ID, which I didn't have on me. Otherwise, they couldn't sell it to me because I looked under 25. I'm actually 36 years old, so I didn't take that as a compliment. I just needed red wine for this recipe. Anyway, okay, back to it. Add that in there. Now, if you're afraid of using the red wine or the white wine, or you can't use alcohol, just replace it with stock. But it does cook out. Just keep in mind, nobody's getting drunk on this recipe. It's in there for flavor. Add the passata or red sauce along with the vegetable stock, which I put into the red sauce bottle to just kind of shake it about and get the rest of the red sauce out. Pepper and salt, some Worcestershire sauce. I practiced saying that in front of Anthony. We were both confused about what was right by the end of it. Some Italian herbs, chili flakes, which are optional. I'm not a fan of hot stuff or spicy stuff, but this just adds a tiny little bit of heat, which is really nice. Some dried oregano, parsley, and a little bit of tomato paste. I forgot that. Mix it all up, get it nice and bubbly and hot. Add your meatballs in. Cover this for 10 minutes. I don't know if you guys can hear Zoe downstairs, but she's having a bath and just having the time of her life. While this is cooking, we're going to cook our spaghetti per the instructions on the packet. Take the meatballs out, add the spaghetti in there, mix it all up. Then right before you're ready to serve, add some Parmesan cheese on top, freshly shaved. Then your meatballs, and guys, that's it. It's easy, really quick and easy. Weeknight dinner meal. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Oh, by the way, I promise I am going to be fixing the audio of me in the kitchen. I have a new microphone which is going to make things sound so much better. Back to me in the kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me show you how to make this easy spaghetti and meatballs. It's so delicious. The recipe is on my website, scramline.com. The link for that is in the box below. I'm going to serve this up for dinner tonight. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scramline Every Day. Bye!